Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the background layer so you preserve the original. This is crucial. Unlock the new layer and convert it to a smart object. This keeps edits reversible. Next, make a selection. Use Quick Select for speed or the pen tool when you need clean curves. Once you have a solid selection, add a layer mask. This hides pixels instead of deleting them, which gives you control over transparency later. Now refine the mask so transparency looks natural. Open Select and Mask or the Properties panel and visually adjust smooth, feather, and contrast. These change edge falloff and remove harsh cuts. Make sure to paint directly on the mask with a soft brush at varying flow settings. This lets you dial in half-transparent edges. Once done, use Shift Edge to correct any haloing. Make small moves and toggle the overlay to see results. You want seamless finish by exporting with transparency preserved. Use Export As and choose PNG, or save a PSD if you need layers. Before exporting, toggle a checkerboard background to inspect edges. If you see colored fringes or seams, slightly increase feather or clean them by painting on the mask while sampling edge colors. Make sure to test the result on both dark and light backgrounds so you catch color fringing. If that happens, use Clone Source or a sampled brush to neutralize the edge color, and export again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.